Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is class 12. Subject is zoology. And our today's topic is disease hemophilia. Dear students, this disease hemophilia, this disease was for the first time reported by John Otto in 1803. This disease was for the first time reported by John Otto, a scientist, in 1803. Actually, what are the symptoms of this disease? How can we say that a patient suffering from hemophilia? Symptoms. This disease is actually the defect of blood. This is actually the defect of blood. Which defect of blood is found in a person who is suffering from hemophilia? That is, it prevents the clotting of blood. Prevents the clotting of blood. I would like to repeat again that this disease was first reported by John Otto in 1803. And what is this disease actually? What are its symptoms? Its symptoms is actually it is a defect in blood, and the patient is suffering in hemophilia. It continuously prevents the clotting of blood. For example, if a patient who is suffering from this disease hemophilia, sometimes have a minor cut or injury, he may contain excessively bleeding. मैं यूं कहूं कि ऐसा पेशेंट जिसमें ये डिफेक्ट पाया जाए, हीमोफीलिया पेशेंट, अगर इसमें जरा सा भी खरोच आ जाए तो इसकी जो ब्लीडिंग होते हैं वो कंटिन्यूसली रह जाती है, वो एक्सेस ब्लीडिंग हो जाती है. इवन इफ ए पर्सन हु इज सीरियसली अफेक्टेड इन दिस defect, if a person or if an individual who is seriously affected, if he have a minor injury or a minor skin cut, he may continuously bleed till his death is over. बहुत खतरनाक है कि अगर ऐसे पेशेंट में, जो हीमोफीलिया पेशेंट हो, अगर इसमें जरा सा भी खरोच आ जाए या कट हो जाए, इंजरी हो जाए, वो एक्सेस ब्लीडिंग हो जाती है इसमें. इट इज बिकॉज द क्लॉटिंग ऑफ ब्लड, the gene which is responsible for synthesis of this coagulation of blood, this gene is completely absent, and this gene controls the synthesis of a protein needed for the clotting of blood. That is why the person who is suffering from hemophilia, he may continuously bleed even if there is an injury or a minor cut. And a person who is affected seriously, he may continuously bleed till his death is over. Actually, what is the cause of this disease? This is the symptom. How can we locate? How can we identify the person who is suffering from this disease? Then, what are the causes of this disease? Causes of the disease is man. Hemophilia. This disease is caused. The main cause of this disease is sex-linked trait. and the gene responsible for this disease, say H, and the gene responsible for it, say H, is a recessive gene which is located in X chromosome, This gene controls this gene. Why? This gene controls the synthesis of protein. Needed for the clotting of blood. And the normal blood is dominant over the defective blood. Normal blood is dominant over the defective blood. That is, this disease is caused because of it is a Sackers-Lincoln trait, and the gene responsible for it, say H, is located in the X chromosome, and this gene, this is a recessive gene, this recessive gene controls the synthesis of protein which is needed for the coagulation of blood. When it controls the synthesis of proteins which are responsible for the coagulation of blood, automatically bleeding is excess. Automatically the bleeding should be excess because the proteins which are responsible for the coagulation of blood, if it controls their synthesis, then what happens? Definitely the bleeding may be excess. And one more point, that is normal blood is always dominant over the defective blood. This is the cause, because it is a Sackers-Lincoln trait. Then what is its inheritance? What is its inheritance? Inheritance of this blood. This disease occurs only in males. Why it occurs only in males? Because the male has one X chromosome and one Y chromosome. Because the male has one X chromosome and one Y chromosome. If this defect is located in X chromosome, it is always located in X chromosome. This defective gene is located in X chromosome, and there is no homologue of this gene in Y chromosome to check its expression. I will again tell you, this disease occurs only in males because male has one X chromosome and one Y chromosome. This defective gene is always located in X chromosome. If it is located in X chromosome, then there is no homologue of another gene which check its expression. That is why it occurs in males, while as in females. There are two Sackers genes, that is X and X. If this defective gene is located in X chromosome, it is automatically checked by another X chromosome, because this defective gene is present in X chromosome, and if it is located in X chromosome, it is automatically checked by another X chromosome to express its expression. That is why it is not occurs in females. This is the inheritance of this gene, and the another thing will be discussed inshallah tomorrow. Thank you.